Hello everyone, welcome to Math Edu. Today we study some shortcut tricks for trigonometric nth derivative. Then see the first one example. Here we solve this example in few seconds. Here y is equal to sine of 5x plus 3. Then it is required to find the fourth derivative. Then just here we find the answer directly. That is y4 is equal to fourth derivative as 5 raised to power 4 into sine of 5x plus 3, which is the answer. Then for the second one example, just here 11th derivative is required. Then y11 is equal to, then here minus 2 times 2 raised to power 11 into cos of 2x minus 5, which is the 11th derivative. It is possible to determine the value in some few seconds. That is how to find this value directly. For that you have to know the two result of nth derivative. That is if we are given y is equal to, value is given sine of ax plus b, and it is required to find the nth derivative. Then the nth derivative is a raised to power n sine of n pi by 2 plus time ax plus b. This is the nth derivative. Then for suppose y is equal to suppose cos of ax plus b, then its nth derivative is a raised to n into cos of n pi by 2 plus time ax plus b. Okay, this is the value. Then we have to use nth derivative formula for nth derivative of sine term and nth derivative of cos term. Then according to this, if it is fifth derivative, then we change the value of n just. Okay, there also if it is whatever the derivative number of derivative, we change this value of n. This is the first one. Then second one is also that if n is even or odd, depending on this sine and cos are just interchange. That is if n is even, if this value of n is even, then sine and cos remain same. That is the sine remains in terms of sine, cos remain in terms of cos. If n is even, that is just here when we find 11th derivative, the sine change to cos. Okay, then this if n is even, sine and cos remain unchanged or remain same. Okay, remain same. But if n is odd, अगर n की वैल्यू ऑड है तो जस्ट दिस वैल्यूज आर इंटरचेंज. तो साइन की कॉस होगी and cos की क्या होगी, sin होगी. That is just these two values are interchanged. That is the sign change, whether it is positive or it is negative, it depends on in which quadrant this n pi by 2, that is whatever this, suppose n is here 5, then here 5 pi by 2, in which quadrant it lies. Yes, T, C, here also we have to apply this result. Then this are 0, here is pi by 2, we denote in radian, pi, here 3 pi by 2, and here after one completing rotation 2 pi. Here all are positive, all positive. Here which one is positive? Sine and its reciprocal cosec. Here tan its reciprocal cot are positive. Here cos and its reciprocal sec is positive, and remaining all values are negative. मतलब यहाँ पे सब positive है, यहाँ पे sine and कोसेक पॉजिटिव है, रिमेनिंग ऑल नेगेटिव है. यहाँ पे tan cot पॉजिटिव है, रिमेनिंग ऑल नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे cos sec x पॉजिटिव है, रिमेनिंग ऑल इज नेगेटिव. डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस वी हैव टू remember the sign, that is depending on this we give the sign whether it is positive or whether it is negative, in which quadrant this simplified term, that is this angle lies. Okay, in which quadrant it angle lies. Then for the first one example, what we are given, the first one example is y is equal to sine of 5x plus 3. Then just here how to find this differentiation, that is we have to find fourth derivative, that is y4 is equal to what we are given, a raised to n power, तो a क्या है यहाँ पे 5 raised to power 4 into in sine of n pi by 2, that is 5 pi by 2. Yes, we have to find fourth derivative, that is 4 pi by 2 plus time ax plus b की जगह क्या है 5x plus 3. Then this 5 raised to 4, therefore y4 is equal to, we have write from this nth derivative formula. Next is either sine remain as it is or sine change to cos or cos change to sine, then which depends on this value. Yes, it is even, मतलब sine की जगह sine ही रहेगा, that is sine of 5x plus 3. Then next, what is the sign? It depends on this value, that is 4 pi by 2. 4 pi by 2 मतलब क्या है? 2 pi. Then in which quadrant it lies? Therefore 2 pi, ये क्या है? pi. ये क्या है? 2 pi. But 2 pi plus something is there. Okay, this 2 pi, 4 pi by 2 मतलब 2 pi plus something, then it lies in the first quadrant. And first quadrant में क्या होता है? सब पॉजिटिव होते हैं. तो we get this fourth derivative as 5 raised to power 4 sine of 5x plus 3. Okay, then same thing, the next one example, we have to find the 11th derivative. Then y11 is equal to 2 raised to power 11 into sine of n मतलब 11 pi by 2 plus time 2x minus 5 is there. Okay, then next, either sign change to cos, yes, that is n is odd मतलब sign change होगा cos से. Therefore y11 is equal to 2 raised to 11 here cos of this 2x minus 5. And what is this angle in which it lies depending on this sign change. Okay, then 11 pi by 2 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में लाई होगा? here pi by 2, here 2 pi by 2, here 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 8 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 10 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2 plus something. Here 11 pi by 2 plus something. How to count? Pi by 2, 2 pi by 2. That is pi by 2 add करने. That is after this pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 up to continuing. Here is 11 pi by 2, but 11 pi by 2 plus something. ठीक है, तो it lies in the fourth quadrant. तो fourth quadrant में जो sign है उसकी sign क्या है? That is only cos is here positive, but sign क्या है? नेगेटिव होगा. तो sign is negative. You have to give the sign of this sign of angle, not cos of. Okay, that is sign of 11 pi by 2 lies in the this quadrant, fourth quadrant. That is 11 pi by 2 plus something is there. मतलब 11 pi by 2 से greater than है, तो ये fourth quadrant में लाए. ठीक है, and then sign is in fourth quadrant, sign is negative, cos is positive, but here sign of this, then sign of this angle 11 pi by 2 plus something lies in this quadrant and it is negative. Okay, in this way. Then next one example, here we have given, then here we write in proper form, that is ax plus b के form में write करेंगे. First y is equal to cos of this minus 2x plus 5. तो क्या होगा? nth डेरिवेटिव, we have to find fifth डेरिवेटिव. तो y5 is equal to here minus 2 raised to power 5 into cos of here, that is 5 pi by 2 plus minus 2x plus 5. Okay, then whether this cos change to sin, yes, it is odd, then it changed to sin. Then minus 2 raised to power 5 into sin of minus 2x plus 5 लिखना है. Then its sign depends on this angle in which it lies. 5 pi by 2, where it lies? 5 pi by 2, that is cos of 5 pi by 2. Then this pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2. Okay, but 5 pi by 2 plus something मतलब ये कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में? सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में. और सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में साइन पॉजिटिव ओनली, बट हियर इज कॉस, दैट इज कॉस क्या होगा? नेगेटिव, मतलब माइनस टाइम. ओके, देन दिस इज द nth डेरिवेटिव, दिस इज द फिफ्थ डेरिवेटिव. देन समथिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? y16 फाइंड आउट करना है. 3 raised to 16 into cos of 16 pi by 2 plus this has 3x plus 4. Okay, then this has, yes, it is even number, तो cos ही रहेगा. 3 raised to 16 into cos of 3x plus 4. then sin आइडेंटिफाई करना है. then 16 pi by 2 मतलब क्या है? 8 pi. तो 8 pi मतलब this has pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, 6 pi, 7 pi, 8 pi या फिर 8 pi कंप्लीट प्लस समथिंग, मतलब फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. और फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है? सब पॉजिटिव होते हैं, तो साइन क्या मिलेगा? पॉजिटिव टाइप. तो दिस एज y16 इज इक्वल टू